Ooh, sorry.
Go first so you get all the cobwebs in your face.
Don't be a scaredy cat. Ooh. I'll put my hand. Wow, there's some old stuff. What is that portrait? Wow. Let me see what's in here. This old attic. Somebody, wait, what's this? A blank CD? That's cool. Wait, what's this? Those are old rock music from the 60s. Those are old pictures, right? I want to take off all of these. Wait! Snoopy Christmas? Get these off, man. Battle of Sexes, magic thing, something. This is old, actually, right? Look, an old Samsung TV. I should show some of them to my mom. What's that? Wait. Where are these legit pictures? What's that picture? It's a cool basement, right? Wait, what's this? Polyester fiber. I should show.
Turn on the light, please.
What just happened?
Joaquin, turn on the light.
Joaquin, be nice. I'm trapped.
This is cool, man. Just want this one again. Nothing's wrong.
Except for all the spider webs. Look at that. That's spider webs.
Ooh, that's a lot. Man, that's a lot. Just in case. Something. What's going on there?
Spider webs in your face. That's spider webs.
These are cool stuff, right?
Alright, don't be a metado. Dig through people's stuff. Come on.
Is that a bus? Never mind. Okay, so.
Careful, you got spider on your head.
No.
Trapped in Jackson.
So let me look closely at these stuff to see if
You're not rifling through people's stuff.
Is that wood?
You're not digging through people's stuff.
I'm not digging. I'm trying to look for something.
Yeah, you're looking for something to ask to keep. And you're not having enough.
A bottle? No.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
I want to show Grandma something like what's this image? I'm curious. Wait, what's this? I'll show her. I want to show her that. Can I show her these pictures?
How about we stop?
What are we gonna do?
Alright. Let's go upstairs.
Okay. Yeah, I'll show you the video. That's cute.
You got a bunch of pictures?
Yeah, he was.